Hi students and welcome to week 4 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week we are staying in infancy, but we're looking at the social emotional development. So let's take a look at this week's module. You will have your journal number 2 that is due. So you did such a great job on journal number 1. It's really, the same type of directions, just the questions changing. There were a couple that forgot to answer all parts of the journal prompt, so make sure that you're addressing all areas of the journal question, but the same directions for that assignment as journal number 1, just a new question. And then you will have a Connect assignment over quality child care indicators. So you've been doing so good on your Connect assignments, and a quiz for this chapter, which I think you have figured out now as I'm looking at the grades on your previous quizzes. So keep up the great work. Your writing assignment is your journal number 2, a Connect assignment, and your quiz for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, everybody.